there might be certain filters that you want to apply in Gmail, but let's say you already have a backup file of it, which you have exported out of, let's say, another Gmail account you may have, or someone may have sent you out the filter, or you may have exported out the filters as an XML file that you have removed it in yours. No matter what the case, you can go around and easily import out filters by going around and by clicking on the gear icon right here. So once you do that, you can click on the See All Settings button right here and then click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. So once you go around over here, you can click on Import Filters right here, and then you can click on Choose File. So whatever filter you may have, so I'm just going to go around onto my desktop because that is where I have saved out my filters. So I'm just going to go around and click on this right here and click on Open. And what happens is that the filter is here. It's ready to be imported. So I'm going to go around and click on Open File. And once you do that, you can see the import filter is here. So you can see that whatever email matches out this, like let's say which is from TutorTube channel 3 and has the subject updated right here, will be starred, and this label will be applied. While if it matches the subject test, then it'll apply the label TutorTube right here, and these are the filters. You can also go around and then click on Create Filter right here if you're absolutely sure you want to apply it, and now the filter will be applied right here. And as with any other filter, you can delete it, or you can go around and edit it according to how you want as well, and continue updating your filter as well. So if you have existing filters, then you can add in more filters on the top of it by importing them out just like this as well. And that is how you can import out filters from Gmail, within Gmail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.